Hey guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So iOS 14 is here, and in this video I will show you some aesthetic home screen iOS 14 theme design and tips and tricks. By the way, all these clip I use in this video is credit goes to the TikTok user. Her TikTok user ID is Cat Mogus. Her ID I mentioned in this video. Follow him. She is original creator of these clips. So enjoy this video and like this video.
In shortcuts, we're going to click on automation, plus button, then create personal automation. Scroll to the bottom, click on charger, and press next. Here we're going to search for speak text, and then let Siri know what you want her to tell you when your phone is charged. Make sure you turn off ask before running. What are you going to get your phone to tell you? In accessibility settings, click on touch, then back tap. Now I'm going to change my double tap to switch between apps. And look, so cool. In your camera roll, you see that you have your hidden folders, not so hidden. In settings, you're going to search albums, click on shared albums, then click on hidden albums, and it disappeared. Okay, look at these custom fonts, let's go. In shortcuts, we're going to go to scripting, add an app, and choose the one you want to add to your home screen. I'm going to add in TikTok because I love TikTok. Once you do that, press the 3 dots in the top right corner. Add to home screen. Now in Safari, search igfonts.io and copy and paste what you have written in a cute font. Done. Look how cute. Now you can go to a translate app and say whatever you want and it'll translate it to so many different languages. By the way, thank you so much for 900,000 followers. This is so exciting. Now if you go to your camera roll, you can actually make a caption on any photo like this. A big thank you for 800k. I'm so happy that all of you guys love my content. In settings, click on accessibility, then touch. Scroll down and click on back tap. Click on double tap, and then we're gonna see right here in the middle, click screenshot. Now you just have to double tap the back of your phone and you can screenshot. I love this feature. You can choose between small, medium, large. I'm gonna add in a cute one for my time. I'm choosing the one that says the day. Then I'm gonna change the font to New York font, make the tint color gray and the background color light pink because it looks so cute. Now in settings, click on Widgetsmith and add in the one you made. Honestly, this is so cute and I love how my home screen looks. Now when you get a FaceTime, it just comes up on the top instead of disrupting your whole screen. Follow me for more tips and tricks. Hold down on the home screen and click on the plus on the top left. You can just add them in from there, and if you want really cute widgets, download widgets. Now when you're on FaceTime, you can swipe out and still see who you're talking to.